down in the Bay of El Nido. We're about to hop on a boat tour. We are very excited because it's supposed to be one of the best things to do here. We're doing tour A today. It's very sunny out today and warm. It was like 17 bucks a person. Sounds like a killer deal.
John, us 3? Yes. All right.
First stop is 7 Commandos Beach, and I have a feeling it's gonna get really crowded here because I can see about 4 other big boats coming, but this water is insanely beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen water this teal before. We have to wade up to the shore, so we will not be bringing the camera. It'll be GoPro only.
Oops, dandahan po, madulas kayo.
Ordering my bag. Look at this water. This water is insane. I've never seen water like this.
Yeah. So we've just arrived on our first beach here, and it is fantastic, really. It's a good little spot to stop. There's a lot of boats getting ready to come in. You have palm trees, really light sand, blue water. It's really great. You know, the most beautiful place we've ever been. I think if it was honestly not so windy today, it would be perfect. But the sand on this beach, oh man.
I'm glad we got here early. It got super busy, and we were here before all these people. Final thought on 7 Commandos. So beautiful. I got really crowded. Head back to our boat. Chose the life jacket route so I could just not too cold at all.
No, I know.
It's not warm, like uncomfortably warm, but it's nice. I don't know where we're headed next, but I'm excited. It's beautiful out here. We're at our third stop, which will actually be lunch. We're stopped in between these 2 big mountains. The water in between them is literally glowing. It is so teal. It's easily the prettiest water I've ever seen. It said a sack lunch on the booking, and it's like a whole buffet.
Uh-huh. Got a really large spread here, though.
Yeah, lots of options.
It's really good stuff.
Dropped off our boat and the big lagoon. Like literally, we could jump off the boat.
We just arrived here on our third stop, I believe, right? We're getting ready to go into this hole. I don't know what that's about.
We've emerged into the secret lagoon, which they drop you off on a beach and you go through like a crawl space. I guess there's a lot of fresh water here versus salt like out there. Pretty cool. We're basically inside one of those rocks, so we keep seeing. You know?
In between.
We're getting to go inside of it. Oh, the one here.
The one. Go through.
That is an experience getting through that tunnel. And everyone's made this joke, but I have to make it too. The secret lagoon is not secret anymore.
We've arrived at our island for the next 2 weeks.
This water is really warm.
Very warm.
Halfway island.
You wouldn't mind being stranded here for a while?
I love it. So we've hopped onto a kayak. You have to pay for these. And it's about $8, I want to say. And it's probably the quickest way to get to the lagoon. If I can get off today, that's another option. You can kind of swim around or you can kayak. So we're pretty far into this lagoon right now, and the cliff sides, they just jut straight out of the water, and it is amazing. It's almost like a fjord. Truly haven't done anything like this before. Always the kayaker. Never the passenger. So we're back in this area, and it just reminds me of when we lived in the south and there was like swamps and bayous. And we can go back in there.
There's people going through it. Should we try it? This is cool.
This is pretty awesome.
Rolling around now. best decision ever.
That was awesome, and now we're
That's a
back out in the
great
open.
choice.
Yeah, right.
How you doing back there? Like floating.
It's like one of those jelly water beds,
Yeah.
you know.
We're back in Nido Town. That was such an amazing day, full of teal water and random foods. We had a great time today on that tour. I feel like that was really the first time we got to experience that like famous Philippines water.
It's fantastic. I couldn't believe just how blue the water was, and honestly, just going in between islands and actually island hopping.
The tour that we did, Tour A, is by far the most popular, meaning it's going to be super crowded. But I think it's for good reason, and I'm not mad about the one that we chose. Tonight we went and grabbed some dinner down in El Nido, like the main town area. We're just going to get ready for tomorrow. We have a really exciting day tomorrow. We're going to go up and down the coast a bit on a bike, which I'm pretty excited for, to go to some of those beaches.
We will see you guys in the next video. Bye.